People like Barkley. He's a massive troll that I am. Leaking. This is not real. I used this name to get in one server, but didn't work. I got kicked. Immediately once they figured out who I am. To make it louder by making multiple cards of 50 up to infinite troll looks to actually make this considerably annoying. Volume may break past this point. Also, you can do this in multiplayer, but if you get caught, they might kick you. Also, it is hard due to people grabbing the orbs and throwing them or deleting them. Making a tower results in longer noise and makes the orbs 50x more annoying.